We had our work cut out for us on this one. The homeowner had his house foreclosed on and took a jackhammer to the kitchen floor before he left. This concrete was really soft, so we took some hard bonded tooling to it. We started off with 30s and then went up to 70s. Because the concrete was so soft, it left behind a lot of embedded concrete dust, so we gave it a wet vac. To patch the holes, we're using a product called Flash Patch, and it's made by Surecrete. After the holes have been patched, we then prime the floor. For the base coat, we're using a self-leveling underlayment. For the finishing coat, we used a more high-quality, rapid set, true self-leveling product. To wrap it all up, we used a high-performance polyurethane water-based sealer. And as always, we put 2 coats of sealer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please throw a like on it. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you. And as always, have a great day.